Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the class. So let's start the class, children. In our previous class, we did revision of chapter shapes. So we did some of the questions on your flat figures or 2D figures. Can you name the flat figures, children? What we studied? Square, rectangle, triangle and circle. We came across 4 basic flat figures, that is your triangle. How many sides and corners does it have? 3 sides and 3 corners. Second, we came across the second flat figure, that is your square. Square has how many sides? 4 equal sides and 4 corners, isn't it? Third figure, children, your rectangle. Rectangle has how many sides? Your 4 sides. Here opposite sides are equal. And how many corners does it have? 4 corners, isn't it? Then circle. Circle, how many sides does it have? It has no sides. It means, children, it has 0 sides. If there is no side, it means there is no corner. So number of corners are 0. Isn't it? So we studied about and we did some of the questions on flat figures. Isn't it? So today we are going to do solid figures. So everyone take out your maths copy, draw margin there, write today's date and do what I explain in the board. So let's start, children. Solid figures, or you can say 3D figures. The figures drawn using straight or curved lines are called solid figures. So if it is asked what is solid figure, children, you can say the figures drawn using straight or curved lines are called solid figures. So which are the solid figures? Can you name some of the solid figures, children, which we have studied in the class? We have studied cube, cuboid, cone, sphere and, children, cylinder and cylinder. Isn't it? So these are the solid figures made of straight lines and curved line. What are these names? Let's read again. Cube, cuboid, cone, sphere and cylinder. Clear? Now, children, you can see these pictures. These are your solid figures. Now we have to identify which is cube, which is cuboid, which is cone, which is cylinder and which is sphere. So you can do this yourself, children. You can draw the pictures first and write the answer yourself. So first figure is what? This figure is, children, how this figure is your cube. This figure is cube. The spelling is C-U-B-E. Second figure is cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D. Cuboid. Third figure is cone. Then fourth figure is cylinder. Then the last figure is, children, sphere. Now, it is very easy to identify cone. It looks like birthday cap, isn't it? It has one circular line and 2 straight lines, isn't it? It is made of. Then, it is very easy to identify cylinder because you know that you can see the base is round, circle, isn't it? And you can see curve face is there And the last one is also very easy to identify, children. This is your sphere. Now, how will you identify cube and cuboid? Now children, we know what is the difference between square and rectangle, isn't it? Square, all sides are equal, and in rectangle, opposite sides are equal, isn't it? In this, you can see the base. This is base, children. This is what? This is called base. This is base. Now if you have to draw the outline of the base, children, what shape will you get? Square. That means the sides are equal, isn't it? So what it is called? Cube. Clear? The sides are equal in cube. Then in cuboid, children, the base, if you draw the outline of the base, you will get what? You will get which shape? You will get rectangle, isn't it? And in rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So children, in cuboid also the base opposite sides are equal. Okay, so it is your cuboid. If you draw the base of cube, children, you will get square. Clear? If you draw the base of cone, children, what will you get? What will you get? Circle. Isn't it? This is the base. This is the base. If you draw the base of cylinder, children, what will you get? Circle. Isn't it? So, this is the difference between your cube and cuboid. The face of the cube is your square face. That is, all the sides are equal. And here the opposite sides are equal. Am I clear to everyone? So, what is the first shape? First figure is cube. Second is cuboid. Third is cone. Fourth is cylinder. And the last is sphere. Am I clear to everyone, children? You can note down this in your copy. Let's do the next question. Question number 2. You can see in your book, page number 7, these are the objects, and some objects are given below. Draw and name the outlines of their bases. Now children, they asked to draw and name the outline of their bases. You have to draw the outline. Okay, so if you keep the piece, this children bottle, if you draw the outline of the base, what will you get? Round, isn't it? Then what does it call, children? This is your flat figure and it is called circle. Clear? Next is your sandwich. Now this, if you draw the base of the sandwich, children, what shape will you get? Triangle, 3 sides and 3 corners. So what it is called? Triangle. Clear? Now the base of eraser, if you draw, children, you will get it rectangle. Then if you draw the base of this cone, children, what will you get? Circle. And if you draw the base of this, children, you will get square. You can do this in your copy, children, as a revision. And let's do next. So, to draw the base, children, if you keep any object and you draw the outline of that object, we get the base. Okay? So, next question is, draw the bases of the given objects. Name the shape so formed. children, the first is your drum. The first shape is your drum. Okay? This is your drum, children. Now, if you draw the outline of the drum, what will you get if you draw the outline? If you draw this shape, children, if you draw this shape, what will you get? You will get circle. You will get circle. So the base is circle. Clear? Next, if you draw the base of a cone, if you draw this base, children, then what shape will you get? Circle. Isn't it? So this is how we draw base of any objects and we get your flat figure. And you have to name that flat figure. Am I clear to everyone? So you can do this, children, in your copy, and if you find any difficulty, you can ask me. That's all for today. Thank you so much.